What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we have another boot spoiler install, but today it's going to be on the Polo. So yeah, you know how it goes. First things first, let's clean the car. So just a quick update on the Honda. So you guys saw in the last video we put the spoiler on, still hasn't been sprayed, and we put the bonnet on, but we put the bonnet on off camera because it was such a quick job. I don't think it even took 10 minutes to do that, so I didn't even get a chance to record it for you guys. But yeah, so the bonnet is on, the spoiler is on for now. So, and my brother's been using the car, so he's been using the car to go to campus and back. So once we do get a chance and a weekend where he's not using the car, like this weekend, but I'm busy doing my car stuff this weekend. So if we get a weekend where he's not using the car, then we'll take it to the spray painter and drop it off there, and then see if he'll be able to sort us out. So yeah. So we are almost in Easter River at Backyard Perfection. Kieran Linders, he's the guy who did the bumper flush on my car, and he's also the guy who sprayed my spoiler. So he's basically the guy who's going to be doing all the spray work you'll ever see on this channel. So yeah, he does really good quality work, and I will link his details down below. So if you want the bumper flush, spray paint, a spray job, but if he does really good work, so I would definitely recommend going to him for whatever you need. So we made it to Kieran's place, and we're going to do it in the road because his yard is full of cars. So yeah, I'll just show you guys how he does that. What's up guys, I know it's a few days later, and I actually didn't show you guys how the spoiler was installed, but yeah, it was installed too quickly for me to even record, to be honest with you. But I'll show you guys now. So this is my new spoiler, new fiberglass spoiler. I'm not sure how I feel about it, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not sure about it. I like it, but I'm also not sure. Maybe it grows on me, but I think for sure it's growing on me because I like it more now than what I did a few days ago. Yeah, it looks good to me. So what I still need to do is I need to trim this, cut the Sika flex off here, so that this black is gone completely and people can't see it. And on the fitment, I would give it a 6 out of 10, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie. I'd have liked it to be a lot more flush up here, but it's not, and I think we should have maybe sanded it down a bit, the fiberglass on the inside. I don't know if you can do that. I don't know if you can sand fiberglass down, but just to make it fit a bit better. But yeah, it's on there now. If I want to make any changes, I'll need to take it off again. But yeah, we'll see. You guys will see if anything else happens. But yeah, so overall, I'm alright. I like it. I like the look of it. So that is the one install, and I thought this video is going to be too short to just end there. So today I'm going to be installing mud flaps on my car. So yeah, let's get to it. So here we have the mud flaps. I got them from Goldwagen. They came with screws and everything. I got them from Goldwagen for $250, I think. Yeah, $250. And they come everything you need to install. They come with screws, but you don't really need the screws because you are just going to use the screws that are already in there from the fender liners. So yeah, first things first, these mud flaps are really hard and you can't really bend them or mold them or put them how you want them to be. So what I got was a bucket of hot water just to soak it in, and just so that it gets a bit softer and easier to work with. So we're going to be doing the backs first, and now we're just going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Doesn't need to be in there for too long. So now that your mud flaps are, well, they're supposed to be softer, but this the water didn't really do anything. And this is all rock solid. You'll see in here there are a few screws, 1, 2, 3, and there's one back here somewhere. Am I right? Yeah, there's one up there that you'll need to undo to install the mud flaps. A regular screwdriver won't work for these tight spaces here. It might. No, it won't even work for that one. So what we need to do is, well, luckily I never knew what this was for, this bendy majig. I never knew what this was for, but until I had to install my previous set of mud flaps, I figured out that this is actually, you just use it to get 2 screws and stuff like that. You just attach the bendy thingy to there with your screw bob on there, and then in the screw, and you turn and it comes out. Then you do the next one. I don't know how many. Do we need to take this one out? Okay, let's just do it. Let's do the next one. That one's out, and then the one at the top. Where are you? Okay. There we go. An easier way would be to just take the wheel off, and then you have all the access you need. But yeah, I'm trying to make this a quick and easy install. That we have our 3 screws out. I see you don't need to take the one out that's right at the back. You don't need to take that one out because this hole here doesn't line up to that anyways. So you're just gonna be screwing these 3 in. Instead of struggling with the passenger side rear one, because there's not enough space on that side of the car, so I can't really get in there, and yeah, I'm struggling to fit that mud flap, and it's working on my nerves. So I'm gonna fit that one off camera. I'm just gonna finish up the driver side front so that you guys can see one side complete and you guys know how to do it. And I think for that side I'm gonna need to take the wheels off, because my suspicions are that the holes, like that the mud flap for that side does not, the holes aren't in the right place, so I'm gonna need to make new holes for them. So yeah, I'll need to do that off camera because I don't have anything else here outside with me. So yeah. So the driver side one has two screws here, that are going to go into here and here. Yeah, these two. So those are the two we're going to be worrying about, because there's nothing else up here holding it in here. Like there's no other holes here. So yeah, let's go for it. How you fit Polo view for Mudflaps with the tires on. I fully 100% recommend that you take the wheels off, check the car up, take the wheels off, so that you can see the holes and so that you can see everything, and so that you can also see if you need to make any adjustments or any other holes in the Mudflaps, because they aren't going to be a perfect fit. Then you can see that as well. So yeah guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. I'm done. I'm tired and I've been struggling with this car, so yeah, I'm just going to end it now. And yeah, stay tuned for more content, guys. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing and for watching the videos. And we're almost at 100 subscribers, guys. I think we are at 93 subscribers at the moment. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Get me over that, get me to the 100 mark. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you so much once again, guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.